Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Ultimate Love. Fans excited as Adah bags her first endorsement deal. It's celebration day for fans of Ultimate Love star Adah as she got them really excited today with the announcement of her first official endorsement deal with a clothing brand. The reality show star shared the good news with her fans on her official Instagram page by also releasing cute photos of herself signing off the deal with a clothing brand called Kelebu Fashion and Beauty Palace. Her partner and fellow Ultimate Love star was also present in the unveiling as he gave her the much needed support and positive energy to pull through. Shared lovely photos of the deal, and captioning the photo, she wrote, "Pineapples, I have joined the Kelebu Fashion family at Bill Collection. We are grateful to God for this now. We move on." As seen in the photos, Ultimate Love Adah was really excited signing the deal, and so were her fans who took to the comment section of her post to congratulate her. A fan identified as Joy Kelvin 1000 said, "This is nothing compared with what God has in store for you. Huge congratulations to you there. More to come your way." Ultimate Love winner Rosemary Afuape, known on Instagram as Official Rosie, said, "Congratulations, darling. I am so happy and proud of you. Well done, darling." Okay, guys, if you're a true fan of Double Chris, please kindly leave a message in the comment section below celebrating your favorite Ultimate Love couple. And if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops.